I am Kishore Sreenivasan. I am from Pune, India. Okay. And my background has been in experimental physics, condensed matter and materials physics with intellectual property law. I have been an intellectual property professional, an IP professional, which essentially synergizes my knowledge, core technical domain expertise in the sciences, in the physical sciences, or my core domain, which is materials physics, as well as my knowledge about the statutes. So from that perspective, I thought that an LLM degree, especially which highlights areas of innovation, which actually addresses several topics in the intersection of technology and the law, would be profoundly useful to me, both from a skill standpoint as well as from my professional standpoint, my practice standpoint. And I felt that this particular program would be the most suited to imparting the right set of skills and the right set of knowledge that I need so as to take my professional career forward. So currently I am heading the intellectual property practice and discipline in a corporate public sector undertaking in India. So with that a professional commitment which I have, which is absolutely demanding, it requires that I need to be in India, I need to be at my workplace to see things, while at the same time I pursue my education. Edinburgh is one of the very few schools in the world that imparts cutting-edge instruction in law, technology, and its interfaces, subtle interfaces, when it comes to the dynamic exercise of law in technology situations. To start off with, I often felt that I was a novice in law. Okay, so I very much had my apprehensions whether I would be able to live up to the expectations of the faculty when it comes to the exacting standards required for critical analysis as well as assimilation of the key aspects of European law and international law. Because my exposure has been on several aspects of law, but not from an academic standpoint. It's more from a practitioner's perspective. But I guess once the program started off, after a couple of sessions, everything melted into insignificance. And I could find that I was pretty much comfortable with all the sessions. That was true with all the modules. I really enjoyed every single module. Every single module brought forth a cohort from different parts of the world. Okay, they exercise their precepts and their practices, their dynamic practices in the aspects of law, which I could learn. I could share with them what we had, and together it was a very rewarding and enriching experience.